Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're about to see what's inside. And thank you guys for sending me this for a review. And here we go. Oh, baby. Bada boom. Bada bing. We got a new thing. This is going to be, drop you guys down, a starry projector light. Wow, it has a lot of different, like, backgrounds. Starry projection lamp. Kind of looks like a UFO. Pretty cool. And then, like I said, affiliate link down below. Check it out. Be a nice little gift to give somebody for the gaming room, kids' room, whatever room you need it for. Got the manual. And we got USB. Yep. And we got the remote. We need some batteries, probably AAA. Which you gotta get them separate. Yeah, triple. Put that aside. Oops, something popped out. Looks like a mounting thing. Are these different slides? I think these are slides. So they can switch to different planets. The cosmos. Oh boy. Here we go. There we go. Let's rock and roll. Alright. So that comes out. And then this is where you're going to put the slideshow right there. And then you get these right here. Now, I'm going to plug it in. Yeah, see, they have different planets. If you can see a little bit of it. Has so you get 3 of them. Here's number 2. You can see the different ones right through there. Pretty cool. They probably have holiday ones coming up, like Christmas and Halloween. And now we got the planet, so I'm not sure how you take these out. I might actually need the directions. We'll take a look at this thing first. There we go, back on top. Here's the bottom speaker. There's a stand. Whoa, kickstand. Okay. So you got her like this. Oh, it is magnetic. Okay. There we go. There we go. Something like that. Probably could remove this too if you wanted to. But we'll keep it on for now. So we got it. And on the sides. Mode. I just gotta read how I take these disc out. And then grab battery. and all that good stuff. Be right back. Okay, here we go. It's on the other side. So this is where you could just turn them. And then right here, all you gotta do is just pull it out. And you got this one. We'll try that one for now. Let's slide it in. Should be easy. See, lines up pretty good. Turn the dust off. I already got the remote installed. Or not a remote, but batteries installed. So we are good to go. Now let me pick this up. Find the USB plug. And we're going to try this thing out. So, if you're looking something new, different to decorate your room, check these guys out. Not sure what the company name is, but it's going to be listed in the title, and then once you click the link. So either or, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, much appreciated. Here we go. Alright, plug this into somewhere. Oh, right here. No? Aha, right next to it. There we go. And now we'll turn it. Hopefully it reaches my USB plug. And it does. Alright. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2. I guess we gotta turn it on. Whoa. Oh, the bottom lights up too. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm gonna shut the lights off and I'm gonna go to my room and do these. So that's what that. And you could laser mode. You can have it on and off. Can't really see it, but like I said, I'll turn it off in a minute. Bluetooth. You can connect it to your computer or your phone. You have timer right there. F1, different color, and then all you gotta do to adjust it. There we go. Oh, there's a merman. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's chilling up there and over there. All right, now we're gonna shut the lights off. So we got pretty much. That's cool. All right, we're gonna shut these off. If not, we'll go in my room. I know it's totally dark. Not the best. We're gonna have to go adjust mode. There we go. So we're going to my room. Alrighty, YouTubers, look at this. We are downstairs. Got it going on the ceiling. Covers a good area. It's nice and dark. There we go. There's some kind of earth. Here it is. You can see the lights are glowing. And we got the disc right here. You can see that little one right there. Ready to go. All you gotta do is turn. And you can see that. some dude there, some spaceman. Yeah, not bad at all. Like I said, it covers a good amount. And you can use the remote control to make it the lasers and stuff. Or you could turn this sideways, the lights. As you can see there, it moved. Different angle.